my last night in the Philippines. I'm not happy about it, but accomplished everything I came here to do. Boy, isn't that mountain beautiful with the clouds over the top? That's spectacular. Absolutely beautiful. I'm having my last dinner tonight at this little restaurant overlooking the lake, Taal, and the volcano. It's been one of the best trips of my life. Got everything set up to come back and stay now. But I could not leave without seeing this at least one more time. It's evening time, the wind's blowing. It's actually cool. It's actually kind of cold here at elevation, but it's absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to return. Zoom out a little bit here. It's a volcano in the middle of the lake. And yes, it is a long way down. Zoom out here. It's hard to get perspective, but it is over these bushes, but it is a long way down. You consider those trees on the mountain there probably minimum 40 to 60 feet. But it's just beautiful here. One last up close to the volcano there. It's fantastic. And mountains in the background. And of course the cloud covered mountain here. Isn't that beautiful? Little town down there. I'm not sure what all that is out there in the water. I have to look that up. Some kind of fish traps or something, but man, it's like a minefield. It looks like a boating hazard to me. The mountain over there with the clouds, house on the cliff. Just can't get enough.